Shale Magazine, thank you to everyone for being here, and a special thanks to Leslie and Railroad Commission Chairman Porter for doing us the honor to be on the Shale Magazine cover. We are honored and blessed to have you both. My job is to advocate for our industry and work with elected officials, local stakeholders. I represent the 18 largest companies in the Eagle Ford, and we depend on several people to help us advocate and promote the industry. And there is really no better partner than Shale Magazine. I mean, we are truly, truly blessed to have a dedicated publication to our industry. One that is never going to talk about our industry negative, one that's always going to put the accurate information. In our world, Leslie and Commissioner Porter, we know how many times we've been misquoted. It is phenomenal to have a magazine that is our biggest cheerleader. Again, I want to thank Commissioner Porter and Leslie. Thank you for being part of the magazine. We appreciate it, and enjoy the rest of the evening.
Well, y'all can tell why Omar Garcia is our senior board member. And that's just because we've developed a relationship over the past 3.5 years that has demonstrated to him that we really are committed to telling the other side of oil and gas that really does not get told.
On behalf of PISA and all of our members, I can't tell you how honored we are to be profiled by Shale. We have achieved a lot through our organization in a relatively short time, and to see those efforts recognized is just incredibly rewarding for all of us. It's been an interesting transition for me to come to a position like this, but I'm thrilled to be part not only of this industry, but the service and supply sector and the ingenuity and the innovation that these companies represent.
I appreciate you all being here tonight. I appreciate Shale Magazine and the honor they've given me by being on the cover. Last, what has it been, about 3 years that we've known each other now, Kim, and understood how much that she and the magazine really support the industry, push the industry, both the magazine, the radio show. I've been on both. Probably radio's a better medium for me. I have the face for radio rather than the face for me. But I appreciate the honor, and seriously, everybody here knows why the oil and gas industry is so important to the state of Texas. One of my favorite sayings is regulatory framework matters, and it does, and that's what we really try to push at the Railroad Commission is a consistent, stable regulatory framework, and so that the industry can know what the rules are for it to operate under and operate in that manner effectively and efficiently.